Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe for latest updates on internships, job opportunities, certifications and programs for technical students. Your subscription and like motivate me to create more helpful content. So, without any further delay, let's get into our video. I'm back with a new opportunity. IBM is offering a free certification course on artificial intelligence that can enhance your skills and boost your career. By completing this course, you will receive a certificate that can proudly display on your LinkedIn or include in your resume, giving you a competitive edge in job applications. In the description below, you will find a link. Once you click that, the login page will open. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the page which asks you to create an account. So click on Create an Account. Once you give all the details, the course page will be opened. That is Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. You can enroll into the program, and by completing it, you will be rewarded with a certificate that recognizes your achievement. I highly recommend taking this advantage of this opportunity as it can greatly benefit your professional growth and open up new doors. So click the link, enroll in the course and start learning today. Please share this video with all of your friends because it can be very useful to them too. If you want more internship programs like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon next to it. Thank you.